So folks, we're still with the wrong camcorder in the wrong position, but there we are. York 863 today, trucking and farming box 11 set 5, and the receiver on this was absolutely fine, made no difference. The transmitter, they've got it set a bit high at 4.5 watts, but the thing was at full thrashing it, but the earlier stages weren't set right. So between that and setting the deviation and going for dry joints and sorting the receive lamp out and all that, we now have a nice working set. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Stand by, the camera's not connecting to my phone.
Roger. So whilst he faffs about, we'll plug in the extension speaker. We've also got the factory original mic, and I'll get that out of the bag. In fact, I'll get it out of the bag ready. We'll go through at our base station at the end. I have tested this. So it's a genuine made in Japan one, not a fake one.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Ready to go?
Roger Dodger, I'm all ready. Off you go.
Roger that. Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. We've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end
Low,
of it, passing the passing plane,
medium,
and doggy daycare.
and high where we want it. Roger, that's fine.
Has it got a mic gain by any chance?
Yes, it has, and I've now turned it to full. It's also got one of these clear normal switches to make it sound stupid. We're in normal. Go to clear, testing 1 2 3 on clear, 1 2 3 4 5, and back to normal over.
Didn't really make that much difference, if I'm honest.
It probably doesn't work, and I'm not looking into it either.
Roger. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Passing a Castor service station and it's closed.
Yeah, they've made so much money they can go home.
That's right. Right, we're now square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. On
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
York JCB863 from 1981, Cybernet 134 chassis, rshireby, using standard replacement market doing 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger, doctor.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleaf turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleaf turn. Is there any sign of roadwork that stopped you yesterday?
Well, no, because I've not got there yet.
Oh, so that point is it?
Yeah, it's right up the roundabout at Quarrington.
Oh.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point on this York 863, and the state Cybernet 134 1981, throwing 1.2 amps, delivering a full 4 watt output. We're going to go to low power, and low power being set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321, there we are on low power, doing 550 milliamps. And we're going to switch to the clear once again, just in case it doesn't work. 7123, there we are on clear, 7123, and there we are back to normal. We go back to normal power, and there we are back on normal power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, bit noise on low power, but you were legible. And yes, the clear does work a bit, just makes you a little bit tinnier.
Right, that's fine. You probably can't tell at close quarters. Have you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 140.9, diesel 150.7.
Roger on that, I'm with the street, thank you very much.
Roger that, 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And has the petrol price changed at that end, please? Over.
Yep, petrol 140.9, diesel 150.7.
Roger on that. I worked a treat. Thank you very much.
Roger that, 1010.
1010. Right, we'll go through to our Midland 76900 base station, which of course has exactly the same innards as this radio.
Tango 21, testing the York JCB863 with the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, we'll pop it on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. Going to switch it to clear, back to silly clear position, and then back to normal, there's the normal position. And now we'll pop in the factory original mic. And here we are with the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3. Go over to low power, there we are on low power. We'll test the clear thing in this with this mic, testing 1, 2, 3 and clear. Back to normal, and then we'll go back to normal power, and there's normal power. Tomorrow, I don't know whether we've got a